To answer your first question, obviously, you would want to meet and talk to native speakers. That would help
Yes.
you drastically. However, to my knowledge, sometimes running into native speakers can be a little difficult. And
Yes.
unfortunately, when people do meet native speakers on the app, they unfortunately make very big mistakes that make the native speakers run away because there are sometimes things that may be okay for you culturally, but does not translate well into English. For example, how to carry a conversation. I've been on the app for like 4.5 years, closing in on 5 years. So I have a lot of experience with groups and private messages and classes and live streams. I think the biggest mistake that people like you make when they first join the app, again, as I mentioned before, you want to converse and make friends with native speakers so that you can improve your English. However,
Yes.
as I mentioned, you cannot bring your culture and how you carry a conversation and just translate it into English and expect things to go well because native speakers will run away. I think people get used to asking native speakers such personal questions. Maybe in my culture, it's okay. Maybe it's okay, but you can't translate that into English, right? You have to take things lightly and approach gently. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?